You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing, famous names that are confusing, stay tuned. We've got many more videos for you. A British international charitable organization, Policy Institute, pronounced Cochrane. It's not Cochrane. I know, it looks like it should be pronounced Cochrane. 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 Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.